पर एयरफोर्स के 92nd एयरफोर्स डे डिस्प्ले परेड का पार्ट है और हम वी आर पार्ट ऑफ द टीम विच डिस्प्लेज द प्रोफेशनलिज्म, द स्किल्स and the capabilities of the Indian Air Force. In Sarang display team, we fly advanced light helicopter, which is an indigenously developed helicopters. It's a platform which showcases the current standards of our aviation industry, how far it has reached, and the maneuvers that we do that showcases the skills and the professionalism of Indian Air Force. At the same time, we also intend to motivate the youngsters of Assam and especially Guwahati, and the response that we are getting from the crowd is really humbling, and we are very happy to be performing in front of the people. Air Force के भी लिए भी एक बहुत महत्वपूर्ण कार्य है ये, नेशन बिल्डिंग का एक बड़ा हिस्सा है जो कि हम इस डिस्प्लेस के थ्रू अचीव कर पाते हैं. हम जनता के साथ कनेक्ट कर पाते हैं और उन्हें मोटिवेट कर पाते हैं.
Congratulations to all Indian citizens and especially to all the air warriors on a very successful completion of the flying display on the eve of 93rd anniversary of the Indian Air Force. And we had chosen Northeast as the region because we have a very large representation of people from this region, and it's a gesture on part of Indian Air Force to connect with the people of Northeast. And for Northeast, Guwahati is the gateway. और इसीलिए हम सब ने मिलके ये जो निर्णय लिया कि गुवाहाटी में हमें वायुसेना का प्रदर्शन करना चाहिए, और इससे हमारा कनेक्शन भी बनेगा ईस्ट के लिए. और हम चाहते हैं कि ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा बच्चे, लड़के लड़कियां, कॉलेज स्टूडेंट्स भारतीय वायुसेना में सम्मिलित हों और हमारी जो बहुत ही बढ़िया सर्विस है उसका भाग बने.
No, it's been a real honor to have this air show in this part of the country. We have been trying to come to the Northeast for quite some time, 2-3 years we tried. So just for this we even changed the time from October to November so that we could have this show here. And I'm really amazed at the kind of response that we've got. Full support from the administration and the way people have come today, because we'll come to the count tomorrow when people administration tells us how many people. But it was such a great show that everybody supported. Thank you all for supporting us. And Northeast is not a remote place anymore. It's very much connected. We always had various display teams coming to Northeast and continuing. And this is the first time we've had an Air Force Day celebration in Northeast. That after a long time, ever since we moved out. So this is the fourth in a row that we are having outside Delhi. So I'm sure every now and then we'll keep coming back to Northeast also. This day is not to discuss these developments. We are here to celebrate Air Force Day. So I'll restrict myself to that. These exercises are all regular things. It's not that anything is happening for any specific purpose. Okay.
So what is the message for youth of Northeast India? What is the message?
I would like to encourage the youth of Northeast also to come, join the forces, do something for the nation, do something in aviation sector, because we need the youth to come up from entire country. Okay, thank you very much for your support.
मुझे तो अच्छा लगा, बहुत अच्छा लगा मुझे. मैं पहले भी बेंगलोर में एयर शो ऐसा जैसा देख चुका हूँ, मगर इससे ज़्यादा हो रहा था. एरोप्लेन्स मतलब एयरक्राफ्ट इससे ज़्यादा हो रहा था. उसमें भी मुझे अच्छा लगा.
इससे पहले भी देखा, अच्छा लगा. पहले वाला मैंने बेंगलोर में देखा था. वो
बहुत अच्छा लगा. मैं मंगोली से आई हूँ, मैं सुबह आई हूँ. ये मेरा फर्स्ट टाइम है, मैंने फर्स्ट टाइम देखा ये, तो बहुत अच्छा लगा. प्राउड मोमेंट भी है असम के लिए, क्योंकि ये फर्स्ट टाइम हुआ है असम में, तो बहुत प्राउड मोमेंट है. बहुत अच्छा लगा. बहुत इम्पोर्टेंस है ये, मतलब सबको, मतलब हम लोगों का जो वो है पावर है, सबको दिखाना चाहिए कैसा है. तो ये बहुत अच्छा लगा. अच्छा है.
If you're having a good time, say